trying to grab the liquidity from this level here. Look out for microstructure if it wants to continue heading down. Now at this point here, you will see 5-day starting to trend down together with the magenta algorithm here. Now this is very important, because if this wants to continue heading down, it is very important that the 5-day, which is trending together with the magenta, crosses below the 20-day, which is trending together with that blue algorithm here. So if you want to see more downside, it is more likely that we will see it a little later this week or even next week if this wants to continue dumping here. So pay close attention to that. This range is here. Just pay close attention. Wait for the 5-day to cross below the 20-day moving average. It will certainly have more clarity if this wants to head down right there. But otherwise, don't bet against the selling continuation structure. Not yet, not until you see some microstructure on the 1-minute chart. And so let's talk about that here. There are some key levels that I want to talk about for reversal if it happens. The first will be, as I mentioned, that magenta and that 5-day moving average together with this liquidity level here. So remember this liquidity that I talked about with the pink algorithm here, and when it started rejecting the ranges. If there is a reversal, this is what you want to look out for near to the 678 level. That will be where the 5-day moving average will start trending down right here. This is a 30-minute chart, by the way. You can tell from this number here, or from the watermark behind 30. Now, pay close attention. If the market wants to grab liquidity and to break back up, this is where it will grab the liquidity here. Off the 5-day, off the magenta, off the orange, plenty of ways to derive your confirmation. But more importantly, it will be this green algorithm. That's what I want to be looking for. The market can, of course, if it starts and opens a little deeper, it can certainly break out of this 20-day moving average first, grabbing the liquidity off that orange, and subsequently off the magenta before it grabs onto the green liquidity right here. So these are very key levels you have to pay close attention to, right? If it wants to head up, you will not miss out. More importantly, you see this area of liquidity. It's a little congested there. So you can afford to wait for 5-day turn into a cup. And from there, you will have more confirmation on whether this continues to head up here. So you will not be caught by surprise. If this wants to head up, you can, for sure, wait for plenty more confirmation right there. So it's quite a good